Hello everyone, this is George Grang, and in this video, we're gonna be talking about how to change your application icons on your Android and iOS devices such as phones, tablets, and so on. Regardless of the device you're using, you still have applications in your phone, and they all come with their own icons. Some of the icons you might like, some of them you might not. A couple of years earlier, ugly icons were actually deal breakers for some of the consumers for buying certain devices. But thankfully today, we have the ways of changing those icons on the devices, whichever system it might be using, Android or iOS. And in this video, we're gonna be going through these methods. So first we're gonna go to iOS because icon changing process there is a little bit trickier than on Android, so let's get started. So we're on the iPhone here, and to create the icon we're gonna be using the application called Shortcuts. We will need to go through 3 steps to finish icon customization process, so let's start with step 1, which is the creation of the actual icon itself. So to create an icon, we need to find and open the application called Shortcuts on our iOS device. Then we press the plus button, and in here we choose the Open App function. Now we tap on the word app itself and choose the application we want to create our icon for. Next, we press on this equalizer button here and choose Add to the home screen. We first tap on the picture here and put whatever you want to. It can be a photo, an icon which you downloaded, maybe even an icon which you designed yourself, which if you are interested in how to do that, I have a video about that on my channel, so you can go ahead and watch that. So here I'm gonna put icon which I made myself in that video. You then put the original name of the application here if you just want to make it basic. What you could also do is you could customize the name of the icon itself. You can add emojis to it, or instead of calling it Discord, you can call it something else. Once you are done with the image and name, then you click on add, and you're gonna have your new icon added to your home screen. But we're not done here. As you will notice, after making an icon, when we go ahead and open the application through the new icon, you're gonna be getting these annoying notifications on top part of our screen. And maybe it won't seem annoying at first, but having that thing popping up after every single time you open your application can be pretty disturbing. So to fix that, we will need to start off confuse our device a little bit. Of course, not in a harmful way, but we need to do this in order to make it not show those notifications. And to do that, we're gonna do 2 things. So now we're gonna proceed to the second step, which is setting up 2 automations. And to do that, first we're gonna go back into our lovely Shortcuts app, click on Automation, now we press on Create Personal Automation. Scroll down, press on App, click on Choose, and in here you can do one of 2 things. You can just manually search for one application which you created the icon for and choose it, or what you could also do is you can just scroll down and choose every application you plan creating icons for in advance. So let's say I have icons ready for many apps. I can already scroll down and choose every app I'm gonna be making custom icon for. Then we press done, then we press next, choose the add function option, and in here we're gonna search for function Assistive Touch. If you don't know what Assistive Touch is, you don't have to, but just for informational purposes, Assistive Touch is a feature when your device displays this round shaped button on your screen, and when you press it, it offers you some functionality to basically assist you with accessibility and touch features. So let's just go back to our automation, and here you just choose Assistive Touch, set Assistive Touch on if you usually have it on, and if you have it off on default, then choose the turn off option here too. And then we press next, and it's very important to turn off ask before running feature. So press down ask, and then we click done, and we're done with the first automation. And now we will need to create another slightly different automation. So we repeat same initial steps, create personal automation, choose app, choose same apps you chose in first automation we created, press done, next. Then you choose add function. In search, we type in the word number, choose that, and then put any number you want here. It really doesn't matter. Then you press next, then we turn off ask before running, press down ask. Then we press done. This second automation that we created basically makes the phone think of the number we chose every time we open the app which we selected, which again, from our perspective will not be seen, but it's a necessary step to fool the device to not show the app notifications every time we open the app through the customized icon. Now we're done with automation, so let's go to the final step, which is turning off Shortcuts notifications, and to do that, we go into the home screen and open the application through our customized icon a couple of times and let notifications pop up and run wild. Next we go into the settings, click on screen time, then we press on see all activity, Choose the day option by pressing right here. Then you scroll down all the way to notifications and search for Shortcuts app here. Now, if you don't see shortcuts displayed in this notification graphic, this is kind of a common problem, but fear not. All you have to do is you just have to open your application through your icon a couple more times to make those annoying notifications pop up even more. And this will make shortcuts appear in here. So once it appears, you press our shortcuts and turn the notifications off. And once you're done with this, you are basically done with the setup process. Now you can open your app through your new customized icon as usual without getting any shortcut notifications whatsoever. Keep in mind though that by turning off the shortcuts notifications from screen time, you are turning off all notifications coming from that app. So if you need to be getting other types of notifications from Shortcuts app, you either have to skip step 2 and step 3 and live with this popping up notifications after each time you open app through the customized icon. But if you're getting annoyed by that, then you cannot walk around this, so you might need to just stop using customized icons. So this was basically the tutorial, and two things which I want to add is that first, you remember how we turned off the shortcut notifications from screen on time settings? Well, every time you restart your iOS device, you will need to go into the settings all over again and turn off the shortcut notifications every single time after restarting your device. Sure, it's not really convenient, but it's nothing too serious because personally I don't restart my iOS devices too often. But still, this detail needs to be stated. And the second thing which you need to keep in mind is, you know how in the right top corner of original application icons, you have the numbers in red background showing you the number of notifications from that specific application? Well, if you change that application's icon, you won't be seeing those numbers on the changed icon. And personally for me, it's a blessing because, oh my god, since I got my iPhone and iPad, I had this notification coming from settings, and this notification was basically Apple telling me to upgrade my iCloud storage, which I didn't want to do. So I was triggered with this one notification which I could not just get rid of. And by changing the settings icon, I was able to just solve this problem. So thank God. But if you're someone who is just used to monitoring their notifications through checking the number on top of the application, then you definitely need to keep this in mind. After covering the iOS, now we can go to Android devices, and the application icon changing process here is much easier, so let's get started. Okay, so now we're on the Android phone. I'm gonna show you a setup process on a Samsung device since that's what I have here, but the setting up of icons is really similar on most Android devices. So we're gonna tap and hold or just pinch out the main screen. Next we're gonna press on themes, and here we're gonna tap on icons. So here you can just choose your icon pack from featured icons tab. But what I like to do is I like to search for certain icons, and to do so, we obviously tap on the search button. You can search through keywords, colors, or categories. I will be searching through the colors since you all already know that I'm obsessed with color green. And here we have icons associated with the green color. You can choose whichever icon pack you like. Let's pick this one here.
The icon pack is in theme lonely.
The word lonely itself scares me, so let's just search for other icon pack. Okay, so let's choose this one here. We're gonna press on it, and next we're gonna choose download option. Once it's done downloading, you can apply the icon pack from here, or you can go back to initial home page of this theme/icon store, then press menu, then choose my stuff, and in here we obviously gonna choose icons. As you see, the icon pack which we downloaded, we have it stored in here, so let's apply that. And that way we changed our icons. As you see, the original Samsung apps look pretty dope, but what I don't like is that if we go ahead and go into the menu, you're gonna see that all, or at least most of third-party applications have almost zero changes. The only difference that we can see is that they have this different frame around them. It's of course better than nothing, but still it could have been way better. Now, another way of changing icons is, again, we're gonna go into the themes, and instead of searching directly an icon pack, you can search for icons that you like in themes, because most of the themes have their own icon pack, so you might like the icon pack from certain theme, and to get that icons, you're gonna have to apply the theme itself. And to do that, we're gonna choose the theme which has the icons of our liking, download the theme, and then apply it. Also, what you can do is you can mix different themes with different icon packs. So let's say we applied this pink theme just because of its cute wallpaper, but we don't like the icons themselves. We can go into icons and apply back our green icon pack, and that way we can have this green icon pack which we like while still enjoying all the other elements of the little pink theme which we like. If you end up not liking the matchup of different icons and themes, you can always reset the icons to the theme's default, and to do that you just go ahead and reapply the theme you have on. But I actually like the matchup of these icons with the theme. So here we have the customized theme with customized icons. And this way, we finish the process of Samsung's application icons customization. So we basically covered the ways of changing your icons in both your Android and your iOS devices. And if you're someone who is into phone and tablet customization, make sure to hit that subscribe button because I recently got into it and I have really exciting videos coming up soon. And on that note, we'll conclude our video. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna see you in the next one.